Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Italia Deluxe liquid eyeliner tutorial for to learn how to do your eyeliner perfectly step by step. And also, okay friends, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a couple of seconds so you can go get your eyeliner. This is the one I'm going to be using. It's called Italia Deluxe, duh, it's in the title. And this is a liquid eyeliner and it is waterproof supposedly, but it really isn't. This is very inexpensive. It's like $5 I believe. Try to use an eyeliner that has a tip like this. It's a tiny little brush so that it's easier for you to move and for you to draw with it. So we're gonna start off by drawing our wing, and as you guys can see, I'm pointing directly onto my bottom lash line, and that is exactly where you're supposed to start your wing at. I just marked it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Also, here's a trick that I learned so I can keep my hand steady and it's easier for me to draw the wing without messing up or my hand shaking. See the palm of my hand? I'm gonna be leaning it against my cheek as I'm drawing the wing eyeliner so that I don't mess up and I don't like lose balance or anything like that, and I start smearing the makeup everywhere, because we know that our hands can get a little bit shaky sometimes, especially when we're in a hurry. Okay, so we're gonna be drawing the line upwards, and as you get towards the tip at the top, make sure you have the least amount of product on that little brush. As you guys can see, it's starting to look light when I start flicking it up. And then after you draw that line, we're going into our inner corner and we're gonna start drawing our eyeliner from right there. Try pressing down with the brush like I'm about to show you right now and slant it sideways the way that the wing goes. You see how I'm slanting it sideways and it just starts applying on its own, so you don't have to struggle and it doesn't smear everywhere. And we're gonna go ahead and drag this all the way down so that it touches the wing at the bottom. You see how I connected it? And then after, we're gonna be going in with a little brush and we're gonna start filling in that little blank spot. Okay, and once this is done, we're gonna be connecting those two lines together. And the way that you measure this is you have to start where your lash line ends. You see how I'm showing you right here? The top lash line, that's where you start to connect that line to the other line, if that makes any sense. As you guys can see, I left a little space before I connected the wing completely, and the reason why I did that is because I wanted to make sure I used up all the product on the brush and just left a tiny bit, enough for me to create that little sharp line at the top so that it's not too thick and chunky and the product doesn't go all over the place, and also so that we continue to keep that sharp look at the end of that wing. And then we're just simply gonna fill in that outer area that we left blank, and there you have it. Just go ahead and fill in any little missing spots that you left, any white dots that you left. Just go ahead and fill it in and apply some mascara, and then you are set. You're good to go. If you guys have any questions about this, please let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know if you guys prefer if I do these types of tutorials. I know that a lot of you guys are beginners. A lot of you guys don't know how to create like certain things like as simple as eyeliner or things like that, and I'll be more than happy to teach you guys how to do this myself. But yeah, and this is the finishing look, you guys. There we go. We have a wing. We can fly now. I'm just kidding. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you learned how to do this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.